Good morning from day 4 in Coron, Palawan in the Philippines. This is our final day, unfortunately, of island hopping. I know it's hard to believe. You think we've seen enough islands already, but no, we've got one more piece of paradise to show you today. So we're just leaving the port of Coron right now. It's cracking 30 degrees at 8 AM already. We got our boss in front steering us out of the port on the way to our next piece of paradise. So Pat, how's your tan? Are you relaxed?
Tan is going really well. We just bought our last bottle for a trip, because after this we're not going to be going to any islands or any beaches, so it's going to be a while until we visit another beach.
So when Pat says bottle, it's not a bottle of gin, it's a bottle of sunscreen. Yes. So we're not out here drinking, we're out here smothering ourselves in sunscreen because you don't want to get burnt on these trips. So what a beautiful morning again. Every day it's been like this. The water's like a lake and you can just see all the locals coming back in from fishing out there in the morning. Scrolling around to the port, you'll see all the basic homes where all the fishermen live. A very, very simple life. So you have to respect them for how they live. It's a tough life here and they're all very, very hard workers. But you walk past them, they still greet you with the biggest smiles, and that's what we are most thankful for and we'll never forget. So join us today. What island are we going to?
We're going to an island called Has Island. It's about an hour and a half away. It's on the town of Busuanga.
So yeah, so
they're up there.
They're out that way. So it's about an hour and a half, right? So time for me to turn off this camera, sit back and relax, and we'll tune back in when we get there. So talk soon. Welcome from Pas Island in the Philippines, Coron. Absolutely stunning. When we got here today, we were the only ones here, but since then there's been about another 10 boats turn up. So we had this whole island to ourselves for a while. We got beautiful drone shots with no one else on the beach today, so we were very, very fortunate. So now there's about, I don't know, 50, 60 people here. You can hear drones above us buzzing away, and they're probably wishing that they got the same shots as we have. Oh my god, I'm just taking a moment walking down to the shore here just to take this all in. This is blowing our minds. Like when we both pulled up to this island, we just could not believe what we're looking at. This must be one of the prettiest islands I have ever seen. Just going to take a walk down to the boat here. It is so pristine and I can't believe we're the only ones here. Oh, this is paradise. Look how well this is maintained. It's all been raked up. There's nothing around that just spoils this piece of paradise. And the locals are stunning. Look at this little beautiful dog. I saw a monkey, and up in the background I can see the guys playing basketball. They must be the keepers of the island as well. So just going to have a look at them. What an amazing day that's been from this beautiful island. Pat, what did you think?
It was amazing. It was perfect when, no one was here. So so you can see in the drone shots, there wasn't anyone here but ourselves and one other boat. But yeah, it's good.
So you can hear the engine of our boat starting up in the background now. So that means we are now leaving our last island. What was your highlights, Pat?
Today is a highlight. And also when we were at the big lagoon in El Nido. The whole island of Palawan is just amazing, and I think it's my new favorite.
So we used to say Boracay was our favorite island, but we only went to Boracay for many trips. So we've now discovered this beautiful area of Palawan. My highlight was probably Big Lagoon, going on the kayaks and jumping into that beautiful clear water. The last 3 days, the captain here on this boat has been absolutely outstanding. He's showing us three different days of island hopping.
Yes, and today it concludes it. Tomorrow we fly. Oh no, it's not tomorrow. Actually, we still have another day.
We've still got another day, so we're just going to walk around town.
Yeah, we're just gonna chill. But in terms of our Palawan vlog, this is the end of it.
This is the end of it. So our next vlog, we've got a very special guest. Any hints about who the special guest may be, or do you want to keep it a secret?
Keep it a secret.
Keep it a secret. So it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a completely different vlog. We're no longer going to be doing some island hopping, so that's the first clue. So Pat's been looking forward to this destination since we started organising this trip months ago.
And it's my 40th next week.
It's 40th. I know, it's a shock. He doesn't look a day over 30, but you know, 40 is
excited.
It's exciting. So we're going to do something very special for his birthday. So tune in then. Thank you.
Bye.
£10. Even if you don't want a nice candy, 10 pesos. 10 pesos, it's Christmas. Help this boy's family. Help this boy's family for Christmas. 10 pesos will help his family. Thank you for the little boy. It's Christmas. Even 5 pesos, sir. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas, thank you.
Oh, we've got a taker.
Thank you so much. 10 pesos for this boy's Christmas.
Maybe Billy sa'yo.
Even 5 pesos for this boy's Christmas.
No, it's 10 pesos, David.
No, just for donation. 10 pesos.
No. Oh my God!
Thank you.
Someone's buying his ice candy. Oh, salamat.
Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
Oh.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
10 pesos for the first ice candy. Help this boy's Christmas. Sir, you need a nice candy. 10 pesos.
No thanks.
You know how you look? He walks up here 6 times a day to sell 10 peso candy. That's hard work. Come on, sir, help these boys. It's Christmas time. They walk up here 6 times a day. Donation or a nice candy for 10 pesos. It's Christmas. Sold them all out. It's boko. It's like coconut's really delicious. Bite from the other end. Just bite the end off it. Yeah. Thank you. Nice candy. Come on. Donation even.